What's up, Terror Squad? Today I got some wings and some tater tots. Y'all know how I do. And I got some barbecue sauce and ketchup, you know, and these are dry rub barbecue wings. Yeah, wings. I'm about to dig in, and I like flats, so I'm very hungry, so let's eat. Let's just get rid of these drumsticks first. Yeah, see that wing? Yeah, these are little, these are little wings. It's cool though. Get that zoom in for you. Yeah.
Where you got these?
Yeah, these are the dry rub from Kroger. That's where I got these from. So I just bake them in the oven and make sure they're crispy, and then I add the little dry rub barbecue seasoning, and it's good. It's on point. I'm gonna take my son to the park later, and it's gonna be fun.
Bang it.
Thank you. I got my son out to the side here. Y'all can kind of see him. He up there eating his apples. He's a picky eater, but I don't know what to talk about, y'all.
You see me over here crushing.
I'm really thinking about doing ASMR, y'all, because I don't know what to be talking about. I like to add some hot sauce on my wings.
I forgot we had the hot sauce.
Barbecue, because it just gives it that spice.
Delicious.
If y'all haven't checked out the previous video, which was tacos, that was oh so good, make sure you go check that out. That was my first video. I'm not new to YouTube. I've been doing this, but I'm getting into it seriously now. Let me know.
Tell them you're gonna have upgrades.
Let me know if y'all like this setup, because I already got my green screen. I haven't had green screen for about a year now. I just haven't used it. But yeah, I definitely will get the green screen going. I used to use it when I used to do the reaction videos.
If y'all want to tour the studio, let me know.
Oh yeah, we got the studio. I'm a recording artist, so if y'all want to see some studio vlogs, go ahead and let me know. I might put a little bit of my music in the video, in my intro, I mean, because I need to make my intro. I'll be making my intro really soon. Let me know if y'all like this setup, because I already got my green screen. I haven't had green screen for about a year now. I just haven't used it. But yeah, I definitely will get the green screen going. I used to use it when I used to do the reaction videos.
If y'all want to tour the studio, let me know.
Oh yeah, we got the studio. I'm a recording artist, so if y'all want to see some studio vlogs, go ahead and let me know. I might put a little bit of my music in the video, in my intro, I mean, because I need to make my intro. I'll be be making my intro really soon. I started to do a couple channels, but it was around, we was trying to stay with the trend, and it was around the time that the Viagra print was popular.
Yeah, the Viagra print.
And yeah, it went on for like a good month of people they couldn't get off that topic, and we was like, we might just keep doing this over and over, trying to stick with the trend. I mean, they just did it so many different ways. Like,
we did one Viagra prank.
Yeah, but then they went into Viagra prank my girlfriend or boyfriend to Viagra prank my parents, and I was like, all right, y'all doing too much.
Yeah.
Y'all doing too much. Probably be easier.
No, see what you do. Put a little music on when you ain't talking.
Well, people like to be entertained.
If people gonna like you, they gonna like you for you. Cause you are authentic. You being yourself. You being genuine. That's what they like. They don't like you because you act fake for them. People can see right through the fake.
You.
I'm sorry if I'm ruining your video.
Oh.
You're a little better at it. You talking about me. I think I'm a more ASMR person. Trying to think that.
When you be yourself, it's easy. So. Yeah, what's all the wing spots y'all like?
I have yet to try Wingstop. Never had it.
There another place that costs too much.
Never had it.
Wings should be $5 for like 20 of them. I say at least 15. $5 for 15 wings. That's how it should be.
Yeah, they like, I might as well give it to you for free.
If y'all kids like Paw Patrol, hit the like button. I haven't even watched the whole episode of Paw Patrol.
You ain't missing nothing.
Whoa.
Was y'all Barney kids?
Whoa.
Or Sesame Street?
Oh, Sesame Street. That was Barney.
If you grew up in the 90s, I mean, if you was a little kid in the 90s, you messed with Barney. And you can't tell me you didn't. Because they put it in front of you.
I was reading Rainbow. Take it all the way back.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Alright, y'all. I'm done. I'm finished. Sorry, this was boring as I don't know what. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.